today we study the very important topic of lesson 8, human health and disease, class 12 biology, that is drugs and alcohol abuse. This topic is so important, that is 1 or 3 mark questions have been asked so many times in board examination from this topic. So here the important drugs and their method of use as well as ill effects on the body are tabulated here in the form of a table. This table consisting of the first column having the scientific name of the source plant from where the particular kind of drugs is obtained, name of the drugs which is obtained from the particular kind of plant, method of use of these drugs as well as harmful effect on the human body. So let us go through this topic, drugs and alcohol abuse. The use of drugs has been on rise, especially among the youth. The drugs which are commonly abused are opioids, cannabinoids and coca alkaloids. Majority of these drugs are obtained from the flowering plants and some are also from the fungi. So we can say that the majority of these drugs are obtained from the plants, or plants are the sources of these drugs. So let us go through one by one. So first of all, number 1, Papaver somniferum is the plant also known as poppy plant. Latex of this plant have been used to obtain the drugs heroin or smack. Actually, smack is chemically also known as diethyl morphine, or we can say that diethyl morphine is the chemical name of the heroin or smack. This is the chemical structure of the morphine, this one. Now this heroin or smack is obtained from the acetylation of morphine. It is a crystalline, bitter, odorless powder also called as the opioids. Now method of use, it is taken by snoring and injection. Snoring means by means of the nostrils. Nostrils के माध्यम से with the help of pipes snoring करते से सूंघा जाता है, as well as by means of the injection. Injection से भी इसे लिया जा सकता है. Harmful effects or human body parts affected by particular kind of drugs. Now it binds the opioid receptors in central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. It is depressant, slow down the body functions, sedative, painkiller, useful in the patients undergone surgery. So as a medicine it is used to those patients which are undergone surgery, because this is sedative, एक तरह से पेन किलर का काम करती है, नींद भी आती है इसे लेने के बाद. तो सर्जरी वाले जो पेशेंट्स होते हैं जिनकी सर्जरी होती है, they can take the relief after taking such kind of drugs. Now second is the cannabis sativa. This plant, flower, tops, leaves, resins as well as inflorescence of this plant is used to obtain the cannabinoids. That is the form of the marijuana. In the form of cannabinoids occur in the form of marijuana, hashish, charas and ganja. All these drugs are obtained from different part of the cannabis sativa plant, that is from inflorescence, flower tops, leaves as well as resins of the plant. So these drugs are commonly called as cannabinoids. This is the skeletal structure of cannabinoid. This one, this is the structure. Now method of use, cannabinoids are taken by inhalation and oral ingestion. या तो मुंह के द्वारा लेते हैं या से इनहेल करते हैं, just like from the nostrils. Now harmful effects, it interact with the cannabinoid receptors present in the brain and effects on cardiovascular system of the body. We can say that cannabinoids affect the cardiovascular system of the body. Now next is the Erythroxylum coca. It is a native of the South America, and cocaine or coke or crack drug सारे एक ही नाम है, cocaine, either known as cocaine, coke or crack drugs are obtained from the Erythroxylum coca. Now method of use, it is taken by snoring. ये भी नोस्ट्रिल के माध्यम से सूंघ कर इसे लिया जाता है, सूंघते हैं. Now harmful effect on the body of the cocaine, it interferes with the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine. It has a potent stimulating action on central nervous system. It producing a sense of euphoria, that is intense happiness and excitement. Euphoria एक तरह से swing mood में रहता है. After taking the drugs, वो swing mood में रहता है. Now also cause hallucination, that is seeing something that is not real. Hallucination एक तरह से भ्रम पैदा करती है. ये ड्रग्स लेने के बाद एक आदमी भ्रम में रहता है, जो चीज होती नहीं है उसे सब कुछ दिखलाई देती रहती है ना. तो दिस इज नोन एज हेलुसिनेशन. नाउ फोर्थ वन इज द निकोटियाना टोबैकम, दैट इज टोबैको प्लांट. टोबैको इज obtained from the Nicotiana tobacum, and this tobacco, the chemical drugs consisting of the nicotine in the form of nicotine, or we can say that the chemical technical which is present in the tobacco is the nicotine. And method of use, smoke, chewed and snuff. स्मोकिंग के द्वारा लिया जाता है, च्यूड चबाते हैं टोबैको को, एज वेल एज स्नफ सूंघते हैं. 3 तरीके से इसे इस ड्रग्स का यूज किया जाता है. ना हार्मफुल इफेक्ट इन द बॉडी, निकोटीन स्टिमुलेट द एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, एड्रेनालिन इंक्रीज द ब्लड प्रेशर एंड हार्ट रेट. स्मोकिंग may cause the cancer of the lungs or urinary bladder, throat, bronchitis and emphysema also. Emphysema is the rupturing of the pleura, that is the membrane of the lungs. जो pleura होता है उसकी rupturing हो जाती है, it is known as emphysema. Now coronary heart disease and gastric ulcer also. It also increase the concentration of carbon monoxide in the blood. Whenever anybody take smoking, तो smoking के कारण the concentration of carbon monoxide is increased in the blood. It reduce the concentration of hemoglobin which cause the oxygen deficiency. इस तरह से जो स्मोकिंग चेन स्मोकर होते हैं उनके अंदर ऑक्सीजन की डेफिशिएंसी हो सकती है. एंड दिस poisonous carbon monoxide is very dangerous, which lower down the oxygen, lower down the amount of the oxygen in the blood, because hemoglobin is the oxygen carrying pigment in the blood. Whenever this oxygen carrying pigment, hemoglobin affected by means of the carbon monoxide, then it lower down the content of oxygen in the blood. Now some other drugs like atropa belladonna and datura, they also have the hallucinogenic properties. इनसे भी भ्रम पैदा होता है. बार्बिटुरेट्स, एम्फेटामाइंस, बेंजोडाइजेपाइंस, LSD, lysergic diethyl amide. This is also very important. LSD 1 mark question फुल फॉर्म पूछी जाती है. Are normally used as the medicines to help the patients cope with mental illness like depression. जो लोग डिप्रेशन में आते हैं तो उनके लिए barbiturates, amphetamines and benzodiazepines are also used as the medicine. Now, but they are often abused. So this is all about the drugs, the important drugs. I repeat again the type of drugs, that is heroin or smack. Next is the cannabinoids, heroin or smack, cannabinoids, cocaine or coke and tobacco. So this is all about the ill effects as well as the native plant from which the drugs are obtained. 1 mark questions have been asked so many times. Which drugs obtained from which type of plant? If you have any query, then ask me and comment. And if you enjoy this video, then like, share and subscribe it. Thank you and have a good day.